Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me in today's daily market review. It's the beginning of a new trading week. Today is the 8th of February 2021, and this is Mohamed Yaoud, Head of Market Research at CJC Markets in the MENA region. Basically, it's a quiet start for the week. We didn't have any major moves during the Asian session, so let's dive into the chart to know exactly what are we expecting during the day and the week ahead. So please stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for being here. So let us begin with the US dollar index, which basically started the week trying to cover some of the losses for Friday. We did have a major sell-off from 91.50 down to 91 points roughly on the US dollar. It has done nothing basically since the beginning of the trading week. During the Asian session, it's trying to move in a sideways manner. However, on a bigger time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, it's still in an uptrend. Having a break below this key important level, which is around 91 points, and coming back to this level, so it's basically a retest that we are expecting in case of breaking above this level one more time, which is around 91.20. We are expecting a continuation on the uptrend on the dollar index during the day and the week ahead. So this is what we are basically looking for on the dollar index. In case we succeeded in breaking above this key level on the dollar index, we will be having more gains to the upside. And on the opposite side, regarding the Euro USD, on the 4-hour time frame, and after breaking below this key level of 1.2050, we are again coming back to test those levels. So during the day on the US or the euro dollar, we're expecting a decline. However, we just need to confirm a break below this level, which is around 1.2030. Once we trade below 1.2030 on the euro dollar, we will be bearish during the day and the week ahead to continue the downward trend to the downside. And our first target should be this level around 1.1960 roughly. That's for the euro dollar and the dollar index. Regarding the pound dollar, and we have mentioned during the past week that basically this has been a false breakout below the trading range. We are again back into trading the sideways move between the resistance at around 1.3740 and the support 1.3625. On the lower time frame, which is the 30 minutes time frame, we're also bearish on the pound dollar. However, we just need a confirmed break below 1.3710, which is those levels. We did have a resistance, a break above, a test as a support, and another test. And basically right now it's trading inside a resistance zone, so it's not so exciting at the moment. Any break above this zone, which is 1.3760, should continue to the move to the upside. However, the more probable scenario, due to the weak momentum that we're having, is the break to the downside and a confirmed break and trading below 1.3710, which should give us bearish levels or bearish targets to the downside, and our target would be around 1.3650 on the pound versus the US dollar. The dollar yen, basically, which we during the whole past week we had a target of around 105.67. We did reach our target successfully. However, let us see the momentum. It shows a very weak momentum, not supporting this upward move. So having reached this important resistance zone, we are bearish on the dollar yen. However, also we will be bearish after a confirmed break below 105.33, which is an important level, an intraday level on the dollar yen. So once we have a confirmed break below this level, we will be starting a major correction on the dollar yen. And on the opposite side, this is the important level on the resistance level or the level to the upside. Any confirmed break above this level should continue the gains on the dollar yen, and again this is the least probable scenario. We are more bearish on the dollar yen, but we are waiting for confirmation after breaking below this key level on the dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let us have another look on the gold trading. And basically gold trading, we did have this major sell-off during the last week. It ended the week basically down around 1.50%. So this move that we're currently on is a corrective move, and we can see this clearly on the 30 minutes time frame. A decline, a correction, another decline, and this is a correction that we are expecting to end either from this level of $18.18 or by maximum this level of $18.30. So we are bearish on gold trading during the day, either from this level or from this level. And this is clearly supported by the weak momentum on gold trading during this correction. So this proves that this move is only a correction within the major downtrend that we are having on gold trading. So we'll be waiting for any price action, a confirmed bearish price action from those levels around $18 or by maximum this level of $18.30, and we will be bearish on gold trading throughout the day. Crude oil is still doing brilliantly to the upside. We had our target during the last week of around $60 per barrel. We are still moving brilliantly to the upside, and on the 30 minutes time frame we have successfully managed to trade and hold the trading above $56.40 per barrel on crude oil. However, again, we're having weak momentum to the upside, so we are still bullish on the crude oil. However, we might be expecting a correction to the downside throughout the day that might extend to those levels. So any retest, as long as we are trading above 56.40 on the crude oil, we're still bearish on the crude oil from those levels or by maximum after the correction to the downside. But overall, on the medium term, we are still bullish on the US oil. The last thing we have today is the Dow Jones, the Dow Jones stock indices, and you are basically trying to create a new all-time high on the Dow Jones, but basically we're still moving in a sideways range between the key psychological support at around 30,000 points, this zone, and the upward move of around the all-time highs that we are trying to create at the moment. During the day, we have those two key important levels. The one to the upside is 31,328 roughly. That's the highest high that we have managed to create, and that was basically during the AGN session. In case we have successfully managed to break above this level, we will be creating new highs and we will be bullish on the Dow Jones. However, any break below this level, which is 31,075 points, we will be bearish on the Dow Jones on the medium term. So that's exactly what we are having on the Dow Jones for this day. So that was all for today. Thank you very much for following up with the daily market review. Once again, that was Mohamed Yaoud, Head of Market Research at CJC Markets in the MENA region. Wait for tomorrow's daily market review. Thank you very much, and please stay safe.
CJC Markets is a leading global financial institution that has granted a derivatives issuer license issued by the Financial Markets Authority New Zealand. CJC Markets has a wide range of products, latest technology platform, and eminent customer service. CJC Markets offers superior execution, competitive spreads, and low transaction costs. CJC Markets. Smart trading, smart life.